best surgical oncologist I know. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. When I tried
Grabe.
he stopped me. Listen, you saved
Okay lang
countless
ba?
lives in
Mauna
that
na muna
ER.
kami.
Now it's
Nag-back out na. Sobrang daming tao.
Tayo sa loob.
Ano ba itong binapasok natin?
Kotse na muna.
Grabe ang Pilipina rin. My goodness.
Why are you still here? I asked. He looked up, surprised. Same reason.
Dito rin sa kabila, sobrang daming tao.
Some things can't wait until Monday. As I was leaving, I noticed the
My
photos on his desk.
goodness.
Patients, dozens of them. And there, in the center, was a picture of his brother. I recognized the distinctive scar pattern of someone who'd survived
Mas
necrotizing
mga
fasciitis.
tatawiran sila.
As an emergency physician, I'm supposed to
Ang
roll my
dami
eyes
nila.
at
Tapos dito rin
dermatologists
sa kabila
for
yung may
hours.
fandom. Sobrang
Since I've
daming
learned that
tao.
behind every stereotype is a more complicated truth.
Grabe,
How it
Match.
saved my life when I was too stubborn and busy to save my own. Now when my residents complain about dermatologists, I tell them this. Judge each doctor by their actions, not their specialty. Even the ones who look